Good morning, everyone. Another day, another what I eat in a day video. So today is Tuesday, January 19th, I believe. And I decided, hey, this is a great day to do a what I eat in a day. This is a filming day for me, so I'm about to film some fitness videos, and I'm also filming this video. But I'm filming some fitness videos from my other YouTube channel, Deja Fit. So if you have not subscribed to Deja Fit, make sure you subscribe. I just started this channel about 2 months ago. We're already above 1,000 subscribers. It's just home workouts. I got home workouts for every body part, every fitness level. So make sure you subscribe. But as you can see, guys, oh, first of all, guys, look at this lens. So I just got a new lens for this camera. I have the Canon M50, and I just got a new lens. This is a wider lens. Look how wide it is, yo. It's crazy. But anyways, guys, look, I just moved my filming area up here. So let me show you how it looks. Now, it's not the neatest area, but this is our loft area. So as you can see here, that is our like living room, kitchen and stuff. This is the loft, and then over there is our bedroom. But I moved my filming area up here. It was in our guest room, but now it's up here. So this is where I film my workout videos, kind of behind the scenes. This is my camera setup, my lighting setup. I usually film my workouts on the camera that I have right now. Over here is like our couches and stuff. We had to move it out of the way. But yeah, this is the filming area up here. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I'm about to go downstairs and find a snack. I'm not gonna eat a meal yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and find like something to snack on while I film these videos. All right, so my first meal of the day is gonna be from my Keto Crate. You guys know I'm a Keto Crate partner, and they send me a nice little Keto Crate box filled with snacks every single month. This month, we got a whole box of perfect keto bars, y'all, and these bars are really, really good. So I'm gonna have this bar as like my first meal of the day. This bar is so good and chocolatey, you guys. It's really good. And they gave us a whole freaking box. There's like 5 bars in here. And that they gave us in the Keto Crate. Yeah. Also, these were so good. I ate them all, I think. Yeah, but these were the Choc Zero white chocolate peanut butter cups. Tastes like Reese's cups, y'all. So good. And it's only, there's no sugar. And I want to say it's like 2 carbs or something like that. So good. Alright guys, so lately I have been making this like homemade energy drink using this syrup here, Lotus Skinny Syrups. I'm not affiliated with this company at all, but I have been using it for a while to make like homemade little energy drinks, kind of like a Red Bull, but it's plant-based and it has a lot of really good ingredients in here. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So first, you want to get a cup of ice and some sparkling water. Actually, first we're going to put the syrup in there first. So first you want to put your syrup. Now for me, this pump is really like a half of a pump. So for a full energy drink, they suggest 2.5 pumps. So since this is a half, I'm going to add 4.5 pumps. I'll put one more. All right, so I want to make this one kind of pina colada flavored. So I have a sugar-free coconut syrup from Tarani. I'm going to add maybe 2 to 3 pumps. I just squirted this all down my leg, y'all. I'm so mad. Y'all look, I just squirted this all down my goddamn leg. I'm so mad right now. These are like one of my favorite pair of leggings, and I might have to change now to do my workouts. I'm so pissed. Anyways, pina colada. Got your coconut. So bad. Ah, okay. And then I have some sugar-free pineapple as well. I put 3 pumps of that. All right, so now you have your syrup. Now you're just gonna pour your sparkling water. So my ice is kind of stuck together, but anyways. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so then you just mix and you drink. This has kind of this, like, depending on how many pumps you put in it, that's how strong it is as far as the caffeine. I believe for every 6 ounces, It says 80 milligrams of natural caffeine per serving, and for one serving is 6 ounces. 80 milligrams, I believe, is like 1 cup of coffee. I believe so. And I doubt that this was even like 6 ounces of what I just put in here. So it's not a lot of caffeine, but you can make it as strong or as not strong as you want. Tastes so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually start my workouts and stuff. I'm gonna have to change pants. I'm so pissed. It's fine. It's fine. All right, so I finally have everything set up to film these videos. It is about noon right now. I've been kind of procrastinating all morning, but I'm going to try to film 2 videos. I'm going to film a walking workout, and I'm going to film a workout that's going to be explaining the 5 best glute workouts for your glutes. So if you want to see those workouts, make sure you subscribe to my new channel. Anyways, this is my little setup here. I have 2 LED lights. So this is my setup. I have 2 LED lights. I have a ring light, and I use this mirror here just to kind of, so I can see what I'm doing. I want to get a bigger mirror, but it works for right now. So anyways, let me knock these workouts out so I can eat my first real meal of the day, because the girl is hungry. All right guys, finally done filming these videos, and now I'm about to eat my first meal of the day. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 2 or 3. What time is it? I don't even know. My watch is not even on the watch. I don't know what the, I'm finna eat. I'm hungry. All right, so I'm finally eating my first meal. I have some, this is shredded chicken that I made in the crock pot, cabbage, and a little bit of kimchi. I hope y'all can see that. It doesn't look too pretty, but tastes good. I've been eating shredded chicken from the crock pot for like a week. Like I just cooked like 6 big ass chicken breasts in a crock pot, and I didn't realize it was so much chicken, but I've been eating off of it for like 6 days. And I cooked a whole head of cabbage, and I've been eating off that too for like the last 6 days. So hey, prepping your food is probably like the one thing that's going to keep you on track. If you are not prepping your food, but you're saying you're trying to lose weight and you keep falling off, guarantee you, if you just make an effort to prep your food once or twice a week for a few days at a time, you will have more success staying on track. Anyways, I'm about to eat this food because I'm starving. So I'll see y'all later. So I just checked my mail, and I got a package. Ooh, showing y'all my address. But I got a package from Gully Gummy, so let's see what it is. Oh, it looks like I have their new ashwagandha gummies. So we all know that Gully Gummies, they make the apple cider vinegar gummies, but now they just came out with ashwagandha gummies. Now, ashwagandha is something that I take on a regular basis anyway. It's really good for like stress management, relaxation, fatigue, and I heard that it helps lower like cortisol levels with stress and stuff like that. It says relax, restore, unwind. So it says ashwagandha has been clinically proven to help maintain normal cortisol levels, to promote a healthy response to everyday stress with memory, cognition, quality of sleep, and more. So yeah guys, if you want to give this a try, you can use my discount code at Gully and get 5% off, plus you get free shipping. Alright, so it's about 6 p.m. I have a live workout with one of my clients at 6 o'clock. So it's like 5:55, and the workout starts at 6. So I'm about to do that, and then after I'm done with that, I'll be done with my work for today. And I think I want a steak for dinner. I think I'm gonna try to cook a steak in the air fryer. I don't know, we'll see. guys, so I kind of want to snack, so I'm about to snack on some Quest chips. These are really, really good if you miss like chips and you're trying to be healthy or low carb. This is the chili lime, which is my favorite flavor. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I was a little bit too tired to cook that steak dinner, so I recorded it on, I did a TikTok on it, so I'm going to include it right here. So go ahead and watch.
What is love? I don't understand. Wake me up, yeah. Reaching for your hand.
So yeah, I cooked the steak in the air fryer. It came out really, really good. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day vlog. I promise you guys I've been trying to do more of these, but it's a lot when you have 2 YouTube channels. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.